Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix QuickBooks Update Failed issues quickly. Yeah, if QuickBooks isn't updating or you keep seeing error messages during the update process, it can be really frustrating, especially when you need the latest features and bug fixes, but most of the time it's actually a simple issue once you follow a few steps. So first, check your internet connection. QuickBooks requires a stable network to download updates, and a slow or intermittent connection can easily cause update failures. Next, restart your computer and try updating again. Yeah, this clears temporary glitches that might block the update process without you realizing it. After that, run QuickBooks as an administrator. Right-click the QuickBooks icon and select Run as Administrator, because permission issues can prevent updates from installing correctly. Also, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall software. Sometimes, security programs can block update files, causing errors during installation. And yeah, make sure your QuickBooks version is supported and not too old. Outdated versions may stop receiving updates and trigger repeated failures. Finally, if the issue continues, use the QuickBooks Tool Hub to fix update problems automatically. Most of the time, these steps will resolve update errors and get your software running smoothly. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.